ஜஸ்ட் கைடு தர்மராஜாவின் அன்பு வணக்கங்கள். அனந்தமங்கலம் SSEAD ப்ரீ ஸ்கூலில் இன்று நடைபெற்ற 78வது சுதந்திர தின கொண்டாட்டங்களின் பகுதி 2 கண்டுகளிக்கலாம்.
The 78th Independence Day of our nation. Let us begin the celebration with a prayer song to invoke the blessing of the Almighty and seek divine guidance. I request our respected teacher Miss Anandi, Mrs. Raghuda and Miss Sajina to kindly lead us. Thank you, teachers. Now it's time for welcome the gathering. These are we share our blessing with the welcome others, which will be delivered by our esteemed teacher, Miss Sajna.
To welcome you all to this momentous occasion, Independence Day, as we celebrate the 78 years of independence of our nation. First, I would like to welcome our honorable correspondent, Mr. Dharmaraj sir, who has consistently demonstrated a commitment to excellence and dedication towards our school. We are honored to have you with us, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our Secretary, Mr. H. Rajiv sir. On behalf of our everyone present here, I welcome you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome our Administrative Officer, Mr. K. Jairaj sir. We are extend our warm welcome to you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome all the committee members. I welcome you all. Next, I would like to welcome our principal, Mrs. Amita, who will lead our school community with enthusiasm. We extend our warm welcome to you, ma'am. Next, I would like to welcome all the little buds. I am so glad you are here to share and welcome once again. Thank you.
அனைவருக்கும் என் இனிய சுதந்திர தின நல்வாழ்த்துக்கள். பண்டைய பாரதம் இப்பொழுதுள்ள இந்தியா, பாகிஸ்தான், ஆப்கானிஸ்தான், பங்களாதேஷ், பூட்டான், சிக்கிம், நேபாள், மியான்மர், இலங்கை ஆகிய நாடுகளை உள்ளடக்கியதாக இருந்தது. நம்முடைய பாரத நாடு பழம்பெரும் நாடு.
Good morning to all. I am here to give a speech on my favorite freedom fighter, Mahatma Gandhi. He is my favorite freedom fighter. Full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He was born on 2nd October 1869 in Gujarat. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Second prize goes to AD Arush. Junior KG. First prize goes to PS Prakshit. Thank you, sir. Please be seated. Next, I invite our secretary, Mr. H. Rajiv sir, for distribution.
Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. நான் இப்போ வருவேன் அவரை வீட்டுக்கு மேக்ஸ். ஆமாம்
Junior KG. First prize goes to PS Prakshit.
வர்றதுக்கு வேலை வேண்டியது இருக்குதா சார்.
Second prize KG. First prize goes to P. Ritvik.
ஸ்கூல் இருக்குல்ல, எனக்கு இந்த ஸ்கூல் இந்த இது ஃபங்க்ஷன் இருக்கு அது.
Second prize goes to MS Advigasri. You sir, please be seated. place goes to Ina. First place goes to S. Adish. Second place goes to A. Thank you, sir. Please be seated.
This is my heartfelt gratitude to each and every one of you for your present support and felicitation. First, I would like to extend my special thanks to our correspondent Mr. Dharmaraj sir for his inspiring words and felicitation. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to extend my special thanks to our Administrative Officer K. Jairaj sir for your valuable support. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank our Secretary Rajiv sir. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to express my heartfelt thanks to our Principal Mrs. Amita. Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to thank our committee member Wilson sir. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome committee member Pradap Singh sir. Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to thank all the little birds who are the future innovators, problem solvers and leaders. Thank you, kids.
மீண்டும் சந்திப்போம். நன்றி.